Did you know your kidneys filter over 50 gallons of blood every single day? That's right, 50 gallons. Now, here's the shocker. If your kidneys are overloaded with toxins, you might feel constantly tired, bloated, or notice strange changes in your urine. And that's just the beginning. Today, I'm going to show you a 1-cup detox drink backed by science that can flush toxins, boost energy, and supercharge your kidney health. Stay tuned because you'll want to try this today. Now, before we make this amazing detox drink, let's talk about the warning signs your kidneys might be struggling. Your kidneys are true heroes, but they sometimes give subtle signs when something is wrong. Listen closely. Constant fatigue? Your body is struggling to get rid of toxins. Puffy eyes or swollen ankles? Fluid is building up and inflammation is rising? Changes in urine? Dark, foamy, or foul-smelling urine is a big red flag. Rising blood pressure? Your kidneys help regulate it, so pay attention. Lower back pain? Could be a kidney infection or stone. Don't ignore it. Okay, enough warning signs. It's time for the fun part. Let's make the powerful 1-cup detox drink that will support your kidneys every day. And this is where the magic happens. 5 incredible ingredients that work together to cleanse, protect, and revitalize your kidneys. Beets, Toxins, natural nitrates that improves blood flow to your kidneys, and betaine that helps your body detoxify like a pro. Red grapes, rich in resveratrol that fights inflammation and shields your kidney tissues from damage. Ginger, packed with gingerols that reduce inflammation and boost detox pathways. Lemon or lime, rich in citric acid that prevents kidney stones, and vitamin C that supports cleansing. Cucumber is 95% water. It hydrates, flushes toxins, and balances your body's pH. Can you imagine all this power in just 1 cup? This is not a joke. This drink is a game changer for your kidneys. Let's make it step by step. 1. Add 1 cup of red grapes. 2. Add 1 small beet, peeled and chopped. 3. Add 1 small cucumber, peeled and chopped. 4. Add 1 inch of fresh ginger. 5. Add 1 cup of water. You may reduce the water if you are on fluid restriction. Blend everything until smooth. Then strain using a coarse strainer to keep maximum nutrients. Finally, squeeze in 1 or half a lemon. And bam, your 1-cup kidney detox drink is ready to go. Pro tip: drink it immediately to keep all the goodness intact. Don't let oxidation steal the benefits. Now you are asking, when is the best time to drink this? First thing in the morning on an empty stomach. If that doesn't work, between lunch and dinner is perfect. This will help your kidneys flush toxins and stay healthy all day long. So there you have it, your 1-cup natural kidney detox recipe. Simple, powerful, and incredibly effective. Try it this week and comment below how you feel. Thank you for watching. If you found value in this video, give it a thumbs up, share it, and let me know in the comments what you think. Don't forget to subscribe for more natural health tips.